Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Realme C67 device. Many people set the alarms to wake up at specific times to ensure they are ready for work, school appointments, and other scheduled commitments. Well, and then the way to turn it off? First step you have to do is open Please Clock application on your device. Okay, after that, here we can select the alarm option. And then you can turn off the active alarm by pressing this button. Or you can remove them. Please tap on down arrow here. And then you can click trust icon. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.